Welcome back to our channel. Today we have MM550 for sale in Bangalore. This is an ex-army 4-wheel drive vehicle, and this is a Karnataka registered vehicle, and the IFC is available up to 2035. So you can just have a look at this vehicle. The vehicle is coming up with a brand new paint job done on this vehicle, completely restored at Jeep Zone Bangalore. The vehicle is coming with off-roading bumpers. We also have 2-inch shackles installed in this. Brand new Appollo tires have been installed in this. Hub lock is available, 4-wheel drive available, open ankle disc brakes is available in the front, and LED lights have been available in this. Farm jack is available, LED lights are also there, and you can just check out the body line of the vehicle. The body line of the vehicle is extremely in very much neat condition. The vehicle is coming up with a hardtop Bolero mirrors in this. We also have a rock sliders from the Thar, which has been originally installed. You can just check out the fenders, the quality. You can just check the look of the vehicle, extremely in rugged condition at the moment, and the hardtop is extremely in very much neat condition. We also have set of 5 tires from Appollo, and also the stepney is very rarely used. You can just check out the tire carrier is also available. You can just check out the complete body line of the vehicle in excellent condition at the moment. Very much well maintained vehicle, newly done up at Jeep Zone Bangalore itself, completely restored, mechanically totally perfect, a running condition vehicle with all documents up to date, KA registered. RC is also valid up to 2035. Ready built setup for an off-roading purpose. So you can just check out this vehicle, readily available for sale in Bangalore. I'll be showing you the interiors of the vehicle at the moment. So you can just check out the interiors of the vehicle. The interiors of the vehicle is extremely in very much neat condition. Newly seat covers installed in this. Very much well maintained. 4+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive is available. We also have a Bolero dashboard installed in this, and Scorpio's steering installed in this. We also have a power windows. AC is available. Central locking is available. So you can just check out from the passenger view. The door pads are totally in perfect condition. We also have a power windows in this side also, extremely in very much neat condition at the moment. Very simple hardtop. You can just check out the music system is also available. This is a touchscreen music system at the moment. So you can just have a look at the tire carrier, which is attached to the bumper, and also we have a tow hook installed in this. This is a blade vehicle, 4-wheel vehicle. So you can just check out the interiors also. The interiors also in very much neat condition, both the seats as well as the hardtop. You can just check out the seats are also in very much good condition. Totally a original condition vehicle with a factory fitted setup. So this vehicle is readily available for sale in Bangalore. Totally a perfect condition vehicle with KA documents up to date, and the price we are quoting is 7 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on our WhatsApp number. For any queries, you can just WhatsApp us on WhatsApp number 9886679617. There's a KA registered, and the insurance is also valid. Only serious buyers are requested to please do contact us on number. For any kinds of queries, please like and subscribe our channel. So we'll be providing you more and more updates from our channel. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.